Good evening once again, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. Here are the top stories of today. KHADC, CEM and NPP candidate Pinyat Singh Saim files nomination for KHADC elections. NPP candidate Amanda Pakanteng promises to advocate for return of LP schools to ADCs. Umsning and Nongpo BJP candidates Rodney Stingley and Manin Raja filed nomination for KHADC elections. And opposition creates ruckus in parliament demanding discussion over Mahakum incident. The news in detail. KHADC, CEM and NPP candidate Pinyat Singh Saim has dismissed concern about anti-incumbency affecting the NPP in the upcoming KHADC and JHADC elections. Speaking after filing his nomination for the Nong Thamai constituency, Saim emphasized that voters prioritize individual candidates over party affiliation, noting that district council elections are not influenced by political parties. He also explained his decision to contest in Nong Thamai following the passing of the late MDC Latiplang Kharkongor and urged voters to elect leaders who can effectively address key issues like the proposed 6th Schedule Amendment.
Wat ngamlong iru kat ka bangala la ibor ngan syakri kata ka badon kam nadu por covid ngalong tang MDC habadon kam kipai ba kat tu jing ngip tenrong lang ngi benrap lang kat ka bangila ban yarap kipai ba te banong tang nakadaw jong election ka jingram pidu na mensim syakri kita takim dehi kinong syakri pai ba te ho jinglong briu le sengaru ngamla ban biang bun jing duna henry ngi persyang pat benang penbahaya ka kam kata deka ka bangidon.
Amanda Pakanteng, the NPP woman candidate from Maukenro, has vowed to raise the issue of returning lower primary school education to the autonomous district councils if elected. Speaking after filing her nomination, Pakanteng, a teacher by profession, questioned why the state education department took over LP school management from the district councils. Additionally, she pledged to advocate for legislation empowering Khasi tribal women through the district councils. Pakanteng, wife of sitting NPP MLA Bantaydor Lingdo, expressed her commitment to strengthening the district councils to protect the interests of indigenous tribes.
Asyanya iki kun ki haja jangka punya konstitusi ki bala asyanya yang abai bapai ba ni la the ka jing e jaki kada ngala confident bai ki mat ningkong e ba kumba I la asyanya I bapai ki roi kapal lagi la the I bapai ki mau kena konstitusi mengarunan vote kita ki denjet buat kampanye ban pensa ya ka retiga stor ke jongi
Don kejing kerman kemuskam halor ki kam ki jam halor kejing ya lenti jongi ban syakri bajba ta ka de ki ke ba ni kum kayeng asam bat kinong kershan ki ba ye kershan yang nak wei kapor bat mentaru so long confident na long mangin poi yang sakatau.
Two candidates from the Bharatiya Janata Party, Rodney Stingley from Umsning constituency and Manin Raja from Nongpo constituency, filed their nomination today before the returning officer at the Rebhoi Deputy Commissioner's office. Speaking to the media, the candidates emphasized their commitment to protecting tribal rights and stressed the need for key legislation within the KHADC to safeguard the interests of indigenous communities. The nomination process was accompanied by party leaders and supporters.
Yarap lekpe ba jang dong Rebhoi namta put sam ban nang benta development per apo ga contribution.
I'm so happy that at least party has given me to stand for the party, for the Nongpo people, and First time our party has coming up with the manifestos. We are trying after winning that border issue also we'll see after discussion with the thing. Then again we are looking for the transparent recruitment in the district council.
Opposition parties staged a walkout from both houses of parliament today, demanding a discussion on the Mahakumbh stampede incident in Prayagraj. In the Lok Sabha, members from Congress, DMK, Samajwadi Party, TMC and others protested, alleging mismanagement, despite Speaker Om Birla urging members to maintain the House dignity and allowing discussion during the motion of thanks. In the Rajya Sabha, similar protests occurred with Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar disallowing adjournment notices from the opposition. The walkout followed, but the House proceeded with zero-hour proceedings. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has allocated Rs 600 crore for India's ambitious deep ocean mission aimed at mapping deep ocean floors and developing advanced technologies, including a manned submersible with a 6,000-meter depth rating. The mission will explore deep-sea mining, sustainable bioresource utilization, and offshore thermal energy-driven desalination plants. The Finance Minister also allocated Rs 1,329 crore for Mission Mawsum to enhance weather forecasting. The Ministry of Earth Sciences received a total allocation of Rs 3,650 crore in the Union budget. The Indian Space Research Organisation has informed that its navigation satellite NVS-02 encountered a technical during an orbit-raising maneuver yesterday. The operation was hindered as the valves for admitting the oxidizer to fire the thruster did not open. However, ISRO confirmed that the satellite systems are healthy and being monitored remotely by the Master Control Facility in Hassan, Karnataka. The satellite was launched into the geosynchronous transfer orbit on January 29 by the GSLV F-15 rocket. Indian-American vocalist and entrepreneur Chandrika Tandon has won the Grammy Award for the album Triveni in the Best New Age, Ambient or Chant album category. The 67th Annual Grammy Awards kick off at the Crypto.com Arena in Los Angeles today. Celebrating the music and resilience, Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated musician Chandrika Tandon on winning the Grammy Awards for her album Triveni. In the 38th National Games, 15-year-old Jonathan Gavin Anthony from Karnataka clinched the gold medal in the men's 10-meter air pistol event, edging out senior national players. Anthony scored 240.7 points. Currently, Services leads the point table with 17 gold, 10 silver and 8 bronze medals, while Karnataka stands second with 17 gold, 9 silver and 9 bronze medals. Maharashtra holds the third position with 13 gold, 23 silver and 16 bronze medals. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 13 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 57%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 5.4 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 16.1 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 69%. Meanwhile, in Jowai, minimum temperature 6 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 17 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 68%. And the forecast in Tura, Jowai and Shillong says that dry weather is likely at most places and shallow to moderate fog is likely at isolated places. Before we wind up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. KHADC, CEM and NPP candidate Pinyaj Singh's aim files nomination for KHADC elections. NPP candidate Amanda Parkinson promises to advocate for return of LP schools to ADCs. Umsning and Nongpok BJP candidates Ronnie Singley and Manin Raja filed nominations for KHADC elections. And opposition creates ruckus in parliament demanding discussion over Mahakumbh incident. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Do join us again tomorrow with more updates. Have yourself a good night.